Hello everyone, welcome to Our Own House. I am Kala Ponnuri. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make these frames in different geometrical figures using the magazine paper. For that, the following materials are required. We need 7 paper rolls on each side. If you want a broader frame, you can increase the number of paper rolls. So for that, first let us see how to make the paper roll. To make the paper roll, start rolling the paper from one corner. If you are a beginner, you can take the help of this toothpick and start rolling it. After 2 rolls, you can remove this and again open it and then you start rolling it. Just remember one thing, while rolling you have to roll it very tight, otherwise the paper roll will not be strong enough. In the end, the triangle should be there, but not necessary it has to be a perfect triangle. And now you put the Fevicol, a regular Fevicol, and then stick it. Now the paper rolls are ready. As we are going to make the frame in rectangle shape, we need 7 of this length and 7 of this length. As I always mention, the ends of the paper rolls are not strong enough. We have to cut it. So first we will cut all the paper rolls to the size accordingly. Now after cutting the paper rolls, stick them together using Fevicryl fabric glue. After sticking the paper rolls, if you find any gap in between, you can use the cello tape and then stick them together. Now the 4 sides of the rectangle are ready. We will stick them together using Fevicryl Mold It. After sticking with Mold It, you place it against a wall to give the support and to retain the perfect rectangular shape, and let it be there till the Mold It becomes hard. Now the frame is ready. To hang the planters, we need this kind of hooks. So we will stick the hook using the same Fevicryl molded hardener. So after fixing the hooks, now it's time to paint the frame. We'll paint it with Fevicryl fabric color. The frame is ready with the hooks, so it's time to make the planter now. Now for the planter, we are going to use this Yakult bottle, but we are not going to use it full, only half, that is only up to this mark. And first we will cut this using this cutter, and after that we don't want this print to be on the bottle, so we will remove the print using the nail paint remover. Here I want to mention that not to throw this part, because you can make so many things with this part. Yes, you heard it right, and I don't want you to repent for throwing it. Okay. Since we are going to hang it, we will have to make 2 holes on either side. After making holes in the planter, give 2 coats of paint using Fevicryl acrylic color. After 2 coats of paint, now the paint is completely dry. We'll make some design on the planter using Fevicryl 3D outliner. Now to hang the planter, we are going to use this wire. This is a simple flower making wire which you get very easily in any craft shop. Instead of keeping it plain, we will add these beads. After finished making the design on the planter, let it dry completely, and after that give 2 coats of this varnish paint on both of these planter and then the frame. Now the planter is ready. It's time to talk about the plant. This plant is called Parallel Peperomia. It's very easy to propagate. Just by placing the cutting in water, you can propagate. Cut it this way and place it in water. After 1 week, you will see the new roots developing like this. Many people are expressing their doubt, what if the plant outgrows the planter? But the growth of the plant always depends on the size of the planter, so you don't have to worry about that. Now coming to the display part, we are going to hang this planter on the wall, but here you don't have to worry about spoiling your wall using the nail, because we are going to use this IV grip tape, which is much more stronger than any other regular double-sided tape which you get in the market. And this is not only to hang this planter, you can use it for many other uses also, like you can use it in any birthday party for decoration, or you can hang a photo frame also, and this is totally multi-purpose. You can use the same frame not only for the planters, and during some festivals you can replace the planters with idol and add some bells to it. And to make the idol more stable, you can use the same double-sided tape. On a safer side, you can put one more tape in below also, and even after you remove it, there will not be any stain on the wall. I have given the link in description below. So this is how you can make these frames in different shapes. So in my next video, I am going to show you how to display these frames in a different manner. So don't miss it. This is what Art Around House is all about. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. If you did, please like, share, subscribe, and not to forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.